Hello viewers, in this video I am going to explain how to document our coding projects in HTML format which are more easier to read. Okay, so to demonstrate the whole process, in my case I am using Windows 10 OS and Python 3.9. To use Phoenix in our documentation process, first we have to install that. So for that, open command prompt and use pip install -u Phoenix. This will install Phoenix into your computer, and you can check installed Phoenix version using command Phoenix -build space --version command. Okay. Uh, and also there is one theme that is widely used in most of the open source documentation process, that is Redox theme. Okay, by default Phoenix won't install this theme within it, so we have to install it from outside. So to install this we have to use like pip install Phoenix underscore rtd underscore theme. So this will be helpful in later stage of our documentation process. Okay, so we have Phoenix installed in our machine right now. So let's start documenting our project. I took a simple code that has two modules, that has addition and subtraction, and yeah, like don't mind, yeah, it has multiplicity also, don't mind that. And I have written different kind of docstring formats to demonstrate how they will appear in final HTML file. Okay, so these are our two modules. So let's start documenting them. Go to the code directory and create a directory with name docs. Okay, and go to that folder and open command prompt from this folder. Okay, and to start Phoenix documentation we have to use Phoenix -quick start command, that is here, and it will take a couple of seconds, and it will ask some option, like we can go with default option, and we have to give our project name, that is maths. Fine. Okay, then author name Bhagat, and word project is 1.009. Yeah, project language I have used English, so okay. Yes, it created a couple of files here, but we have to modify conf.py and index.rts. Open conf.py, show line numbers, and in this file we have to uncomment line 13, 14 and 15. Like this line is to add our source code path to system path to use later in HTML making. So like this conf.py is in docs, but our code is in one folder above our docs, so we have to put double dot here. So single dot means current directory and double dot means it's above directory. Okay, and here in extensions list we have to add phoenix.ext autodoc string. Then I want to change HTML theme also, so for that I am going with the Phoenix RTD theme. Yes. I updated my conf.py. We will update index.rst later. Okay. So for further process, we have to use Phoenix dash API doc space dash o, and here we have to this is our command which I have used, and here we have to give uh, output folder for some RST files and input folder of our code. Okay, for that I want this RST in the current directory, that is docs. So here I am putting single dot, and my code is in math, so that is one level above our docs folder. So I'm using double dot here, then enter. So why IT also take a couple of seconds, and it has created addition.rst, substract.rst, which are my module names, and also one folder with modules, like it will have both of this data within it. Okay, we are done with this process, and index.rst, open it. Here this is the place where our HTML file will look for our module file. So here we can give this modules RST file name. So module. When this Phoenix want to create that HTML file for our documentation, it will look for this index.rst. Within that we are mentioning this module, which is this. So it will read all the data in these modules, and I will show you what is in there. Here we have addition and subtract. These are also RST files. So like these RSTs are markup formats. So this. So I will explain you what, like how to add our own introduction, like our own information into HTML file later. Okay. So we are done with index.rst modification, and last step is to make HTML with make HTML command. HTML. Yeah, it will read through all those RST files, and our HTML is in build HTML. Okay, it has created build HTML and open index .html file. Here is my project name maths, and this is like folder name, and this is addition module. Within this addition module I have add function and multiply function. In every function, like I gave different docstring format so that it is showing different structures, and it is subtract. Some pages like nubs python have introduction and some other things within it. So we can also generate that kind of HTML file by adding a few files and few modifications to index.rst file. So here I created a sample introduction.rst file. So I'm going to copy this file into our docs folder. So yeah, copied here, and I have to modify index.rst here. To add any file or to add any heading, here we have to follow a markup syntax. So that is, for heading it is dot underscore our name, like here I'm going to give heading as introduction colon, and this is the format for adding a file in markup. So we can change caption here, that if I change into intro, and we have to mention our folder name in this area, so that will be introduction. Again, I'm going to open command prompt here, and here make HTML. Yes, it created HTML file with all the data which we gave. So let's open this. Yeah, this is a like a sample introduction I took. Like here we can give introduction and heading reference, this kind of headings and bullet point if necessary, and also we can add web links also. I will attach this introduction.rst file in the description below so that you can use it as a reference and generate your own introductions for your projects. In future also I am going to make a few more video tutorials regarding Phoenix documentation process, and thank you for watching.